èmi feel pé ṣe rí ọ̀rọ̀ ojú abẹ bá sọ pé a lot of people think take it too far, honestly speaking a lot of people think ṣe kí ni wọ́n ti take it too far. What do I mean by that ni pé ṣe rí don't get it twisted o ojú abẹ ò kì í ṣolóṣo o ojú abẹ ò kì í ṣolóṣo o preference ẹ̀ ní ọkùnrin kékeré nǹkan tó like nìyẹn but ṣe rí ibi tí problem wà ní pé she's trying to justify though ìwà àbàjẹ́ ni kì í ṣe aṣẹ́wó torí mo rẹ́yìn ẹ̀yìn nǹkan tẹ́ ń pè ní Madokoku kì í ṣe pé ó ń dókó kiri náà ó kàn ní specific preference àṣẹmọ society tá a ti wá wẹ̀nà ìtẹ̀yẹ̀ṣe society náà if you think about it very well tó bá ń dó ọmọ kékeré ojú ẹ̀ máa ń bò ní as a older woman ṣe ti understand àwọn ọmọ kékeré ò lè respect yẹ in fact at the end of the day tó bá ti dó ẹ tọ́tọ́ ní mo rí fídíò kan tẹ́ni yẹn sọ pé ṣé in the next 15 years ṣé bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn máa dúró ti ojú abẹ wẹ́nà tabawo statistically ni mo wò mi ò sọ pé statistically ni mo wò 95% ò ní dúró mọ́nú 95% ò ní dúró yẹn àwọn 5% náà sì máa dúró tó ti yẹ yín sìn and everybody talking and condemning this act kì í ṣe pé wọ́n hate ojú abẹ I think that's where the problem is kì í ṣe pé wọ́n hate yàtọ̀ sí àwọn tó hate ojú abẹ tó fẹ́ bàjá tẹ́lẹ̀ I think majority of the people they are more concerned about the the reaction of the guy. It's not the guy himself. He has literally not shown people enough reason for them to trust him. Should you understand it? Not enough reason for them to trust him. So I think majority of the people are just more concerned. Bó ṣe ń shove ojú abẹ sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́, bó ṣe ń palẹ̀kùn dé mọ́. The guy has this harsh, okay, so this, báwo mo ṣe máa pè é náà? He has this look on him that looks scary. Maybe to me, his face is not a friendly face for a guy tó bá ti fẹ́ wà romantically involved with somebody. He has this look on his face, this terrible, terrifying look on his face that I wouldn't want somebody I like to go close to him. But you never know, looks can be deceiving. Shall understand? You cannot judge the book by its cover. But obviously, the guy is not even making it, it's not even making us feel like, oh, it's not like that. It's actually a sweet, a calm guy. The little we've known about this guy, Yatosikwe face look terrifying. I don't know how Ojo Abe sleep with somebody that looks like that. I care about how my man looks. Then fast forward to the recent issue the guy was having, attacking people he cannot even see online. Imagine cursing out people on his wife's platform, being very dominant, being insecure, those kind of things. Ó jẹ́ kí èèyàn náà feel pé ṣé is this woman not making a mistake? You understand? But don't get it wrong. Ojú abẹ is not a slut. Ẹ máa bí ọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀mọ́. Ṣé mo pé mọ̀mọ́ ní ṣùgbọ́n bóyá ọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀mọ́ lẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé ojú abẹ ò kì í ṣe olóṣó péyàn láìkí ọmọ kékeré kì í ṣe pé olóṣó ni ojú abẹ is just speaking maybe to me that's how I feel mo dẹ̀ sọ fún yà mi bí wrong ojú abẹ is just speaking somebody that is not matured enough or is not secured enough. So that concerning that. So Emma drag here into, dragging her name, calling her names like that. You understand? I mean, okay, right now, Arabo boy and Zibale will not understand it. We won't can drag Ojo Abe because of his silly, stupid mistake and acts. She understand it. The guy has calmed down. He has people can understand social media. Tell Lenny to don't know we agree. Don't finish social media. But now, I think the guy has calmed down. Ó ti relax, ó ti calm down, ó ti understand it. Sí pé, wípé social media have the mind of its own. So orí ẹ̀ ti pé díẹ̀. compared to the last time. Kò ṣe rádaràda tó wọ́n ṣe yẹn, kò ṣe mọ́. You get what I'm saying now? Kò ṣe rádaràda yẹn, kò ṣe mọ́. It's more calm, he understand more, you know. So I feel like, okay, only she mistake give him another chance. That is just me talking. But you know, social media is a very, very crazy, brutal place. To what is a mistake, bye. There is no coming back. But I still feel like, okay, for the benefit of doubt, you understand, give him another chance. She to understand is Emma continue láti máa drag ojú abẹ like that continuously, like that. Give the guy another chance. Tó bá ti wá ṣe nǹkan míì o, then you can now drag ojú abẹ wípé gbogbo nǹkan tó gbé wá fún wa, because everybody expected something better. Even if you pick a younger guy tó lọ́pọlọ ló yẹ kó o tún mú, kì í ṣe pé léyìí tí ò lọ́pọlọ. Younger guy tó níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́, tí ò ṣe pé ó ń wojú obìnrin jẹun, àbí tí ò ṣe pé ó máa interfere sínú life where insulting your committees, you know. Younger guy tó rí ẹ̀ pé ṣe understand ẹ̀sìn. Nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ṣe ló jẹ́ kí ojú abẹ́ wà subjected sí bully. That is just it. Because the guy doesn't really understand social media. He's just doing gara up and down. So I still feel like everybody deserves a second chance. She to understand it. I still feel like she fún wọn ní second chance. Ẹ má kàn dúró lórí ẹ pé ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀, because if you think about it very well now, nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ṣe is not enough, because he has clearly explained himself and he has apologized. So it's like it's a bittersweet situation. Wípé ó lè má mean ẹ̀, we still want to give him the benefit of doubt. Wípé ó lè má mean ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, ó lè jẹ́ pé inú kan bí ni, ó lè jẹ́ pé he was just angry and is harmless, you know. Àfi tó bá yẹ pé ojú abẹ́ ń jẹ́ ìyanu ilé tó ń ṣe, tí o mọ̀ pé ojú abẹ́ náà, we are talking that people should give you another chance. Mr. SK, sorry o, kò yẹ kí n máa sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí, but sorry o, ìyàwó yìí ti lọ. So ẹ jẹ́ fún ojú abẹ́ àti ọkọ ẹ̀ ní second chance, you know, until when he do another thing, because he already done two things that we are side-eyeing. Ẹ jẹ́ fún ní the last chance. Everybody deserves a second chance. So she's not a slut, she's not an harlot, she's not only dokudo. It's just a preference, but the wrong kind of preference. No, not one man kò mú preference only maturity. Kò mú preference only maturity. And I feel like the people on social media, oh no, if you have anything that is making you happy, just keep it off of social media. I've seen so many videos that I cannot even talk about. The mean things that are being said to Ojo Abe. Me, I advise Ojo Abe new. If you see where they were giving it to Ojo Abe, and you go, I'm a freak. Èmi advise Ojo Abe new. Tẹ́ bá rí show tó ń ṣe fún Ojo. I feel like that is like a personal vendetta. So to understand this, tẹ́ bá rí show tó ń ṣe fún Ojo. I cannot even repeat the things they were saying. And I be like, oh my God, show ti le tó tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. Ọbẹ̀ gan ọmọ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ sọ̀bẹ̀ nù. Ọbẹ̀ ò ti ṣe nǹkan tó máa ṣiṣẹ́ fẹ́ pa ni. Ó mà ti le jù báyìí. Ó ti kọjá nǹkan tá a rò. Ẹ mọ̀ bó ṣe máa ń fẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lójú lórí social media. Wọ́n fẹ́ lójú. They link it to his to our previous husbands. They link it so many things that we did not even know about Ojo Abe lórí social media. They destroy. Ọlọ́run, ó gbọ́dọ̀ ní tó bá fẹ́ wà lórí social media. Àbí tó fẹ́ gbé nǹkan tó ń dùn mọ́ ẹnu sórí social media. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ ní very strong heart, because these people here, they are not human beings. The way they talk, the same thing. Àwọn ò kì í ṣe mistake, àbí àwọn ò kì í ṣe the same thing. The way they talk, the way they act, the way they react is terrible. Is terrible. Because àwọn ò kì í ṣe the same thing. So I keep saying it, pé kàn fún ní second chance. She understand, is it? Give second chance to him, give second chance to them. Let love lead. Except if you see Ojo Abe being ṣẹmọ tójú ẹ ti wí, tó bá ti lo sunshade wá sí orí kámẹ́rà, ẹ̀rọ aṣọ mi pé kó yọ sunshade yẹn, ìyẹn nìkan la máa fi mọ̀ pé she's not fine. But right now I think she's happy. If she's happy, we are happy. She to understand, is it? If she's happy, I don't think the man is really mean to her. She to understand, is it? I don't think the guy kì í ṣe lórí bed, because he's always saying that Lórí bed, there's more to lórí bed. Outside the bed, how many minutes ló fẹ́ lò lórí bed? I don't think when the camera is off, I don't think, my own personal opinion, I don't think the man is really harsh on her when the camera is off. I don't think. I may be wrong. Òun nìkan ló wà ń bẹ, òun nìkan ló mọ nǹkan tó ń face. Tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ̀yà dáadáa, òun fún ara ẹ̀ ló máa jáde, ló máa sọ pé òun ò ṣe mọ́. But right now, it's still sweeting them. You understand? And I don't want to be a bearer to something. Kéèyàn dá nǹkan rú just because we are seeing it on social media. Àwọn ò bá wọn gbé inú relationship now. So I don't think the guy is as mean as that. He's just trying to show, like, you know, Shemo kò fẹ́ want to show them pé kíní. That is just what I feel about him. You understand? But now he has learned his lesson, and I think he's, you know, is getting to understand social media better and better every day. So èmi feel pé ká fún wọn ní second chance. You understand this? Ẹ má drag wọn mọ́. Ilé ìtẹ́ṣe náà ti tó. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, àti sọ́sọ́ àti ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ náà. Don't use that to judge her or call her a slut, call her names, call her Madokoku. Come on. Oko mélòó gan ló ṣì dò tẹ́ ẹ bá ń pe kíní ní Madokoku, kí lẹ fẹ́ pe mọ̀mọ́? Mọ̀mọ́ àwọn bandit, kí lẹ fẹ́ pe? Tẹ́ bá pe ojú abẹ ní Madodo, oko mélòó ló ṣì dò? She's just been linked to different, you know, shenanigans on social media. I don't think she really deserved that, honestly speaking. You understand? She's just been linked to different guys. Ṣọmọ, èmi máa fi pé kò tẹ̀ tó mọ́kùnrin wá sórí show. You have to be sure. Kì í ṣe pé ẹ máa ṣe bí ọmọ tó ṣẹ̀rí tó rí búrẹ́dì tínú ẹ̀ ń dùn àbí tó rákàrà he. You have to be sure that, okay, ẹni yóò ní bojú mi jẹ́. The person has to be mental. Ní bí wá ṣe rí ọkùnrin náà ni kó máa gbé bọ̀ lórí social media. You have to be sure. You have to do it codedly for a while. You have to let that person understand what is getting involved. In fact, you don't even have to show the person. You just have to, you know, do your thing away from. Kò sí nǹkan tó kan ọkọ ẹ̀. Nǹkan tẹ́mi fi ẹ̀yìn pẹ̀lú content ẹ̀. Ṣèbó níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́. That is it. Jẹ́ kó lọ máa ṣiṣẹ́ tiẹ̀. Kò sí nǹkan tó kan ọkọ. Ó lè bá polówó ṣèbí ṣájà lẹ sọ pé ó ń tà. Kó bá polówó, mo ti sọ fún ẹ, mo ti ṣe show èrí pé mo sọ fún ẹ pé ó yẹ kó máa show one shop ẹ̀ ni. Ṣèbí ìwọ lówó torí owó dẹ̀ ló fi wá fẹ́. Ó yẹ kó show shop ẹ̀, kẹ́ equip shop ẹ̀. Ṣé understand? Kẹ́ market ẹ̀. Instead of kẹ́ máa ṣẹ̀ sí ara yín lórí TikTok. Kẹ́ máa dúdú òṣì gan. Ó yẹ kì í ṣe ọkọ àti ìyàwó ní kó máa ṣe TikTok now. Ó yẹ kọ́kọ́ ẹ níṣẹ́, ó yẹ kó níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ kó tó di pé ó gbà fún now. We don't have to girl code. We don't have to tell you that. Wípé before you gbà fún ẹ ọkùnrin kankan, ó gbọ́dọ̀ níṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe tó mú wọlé. Ló bá yẹ pé charger ni bọ̀bọ́ yẹn ń tà, ó yẹ kó fi shop ẹ̀ hàn wá. Kó show kì í ṣe charger nìkan, kẹ́ stock ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú phones oríṣiríṣi, kó advertise ẹ̀, kó gbé wa débẹ̀, kó ṣó mọ̀, kó pọ́nlé dáadáa ká mọ̀ pé àbọ̀bọ́ yìí kì í ṣe ìbìnà, kì í ṣe pé kó gbé kámẹ́rà kó máa kọrin kó máa jó lórí TikTok. Ẹ kàn ṣẹ̀sìn àwọ̀run. This is why they will never respect him. That is it. And even got that after a long time, break relationship with him because he still want to be respected. They respect money. People respect money. People respect, you know, hard work. But clearly, this guy is not showing that. It's not showing that to your fans. It's not showing that to your, you know, to your supporters, and they feel like, what is wrong with you? But at the end of the day, let love lead. Ẹ má drag ẹ kì í ṣaṣẹ́wó torí ẹ mú mọ bẹ́ ṣe máa ń yí oríṣiríṣi nǹkan. Ẹ tún ti fẹ́ yí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn pé aṣẹ́wó lọ́mọbìnrin yẹn. Don't jump from ọkùnrin to ọkùnrin. She's not doing that. That is just speaking the wrong immature set. That is just what I feel. But I think with time they will get a hold of all this nonsense. And you understand? So that is just Ojo Abe, this is the time for you to, for that guy's whatever, do I have a business don't she? For you to make sure it's business boost. Can you check TikTok? So to understand, I mean, if you guys plan a long time ahead, definitely longer, you know, longer years. Ṣé ijó lẹ́yìn méjèèjì máa jó lórí TikTok ní àtọkọ àtìyàwó? ṣe ẹ̀dẹ̀fẹ̀ wọ́n ní o fẹ́ ṣe IVF ṣé God a lot is just wo wọ́n ní say something positive. You want to do IVF and bring a child into a marriage whereby the husband and the wife is dancing on TikTok. Think about that for a second. Think about that I'm just, say something positive láwa nsìn yo ṣe ti rí nsìn pé ó ti fẹ́ switch but we thank God we can control ourselves before he switch kó tó yí mọ́ mi lọ́wọ́ ẹ kúkú mọ̀ pé ẹlẹ́yà ẹ mọ̀ pé ẹlẹ́yà always guided ní ẹjẹ́ àmọ́ ọ lọ ká tó sọ ọ́ di nǹkan míì mọ́ yín lọ́wọ́ nsìn sìn.